What is email marketing? Okay, is it still worth it or is it dead in 2021? Look, I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, what's better, owning or having an email list of 1,000 emails, or having 1,000 followers on your Instagram, on your YouTube channel, on your TikTok, or your Facebook page? What's better? Okay, well, the answer is obviously the email list. Why? Because you own that. Okay, you own that list. That's right. I'ma own your ass, bitch. So what's a better way to market to an email list or to your followers on these social media platforms? Look, everybody knows that a woman's clitoris has about 8,000 nerve endings, if I'm right, okay? But it's not as sensitive as Facebook when it comes to marketing on Facebook, okay? And to its users, because Facebook is all about the customer experience, right? But anyways, if any of these platforms, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, decides that you're no longer fit, they will drop you like a dead fly. But if you have an email list of engaged followers or engaged people who provided their email to you because they trust you, that email list will never go anywhere. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to know about a successful email marketing, okay? For that reason, I'm gonna help myself with my little list of what you need to do to conduct a very successful email marketing, okay? Let's go. The fundamentals of email marketing. Email deliverability, okay? Data protection, managing contacts and segmentation, growing your subscriber list. How to grow your subscriber list? You need to know how to run successful campaigns for your email marketing. You should also be split testing when it comes to your email marketing, and so on and so forth. Now, it looks complicated, right? And it quite is. But if you have the right strategies and the right tools at hand, it's actually very simple and very easy. So I'm not going to cover all of that in this video because that would take up to 5 hours or more, okay? Instead, I will provide you with the free access to a free course where you can take absolutely for free, okay? Hey, did I say it was free? You can learn all of this for free. And not only that, I'm gonna give you two free courses how you can start successful email marketing, whether it's for your local business, whether you are an artist, whether you are a fitness trainer, whether you are in whatever niche you are in. I'm gonna provide you two free resources on where you can learn and actually get certified on your successful email marketings. Okay, you're gonna learn how to do the segmentation, how to use the email marketing correctly, how to set up your sequences. Okay, by the way, did you know that when you send an offer, the customer will usually not buy from you on the first time? Okay, it actually takes on average between 7 to 12 times for a customer to be exposed to an offer before he or she makes a buying decision, right? So for that reason, you need a right marketing tool and right email marketing strategy to set up your sequence and to send the right emails with the right offers to your potential customers, right? So right now we're gonna jump in my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna learn in these courses, and I'm gonna leave the links in the description for those two courses. No charge, no string attached, no hidden fees, nothing. It's absolutely free, okay? Let's jump right into my computer and see what I mean. In this section, I'm going to show you the free resources, how you can learn anything step by step about email marketing, how to set up a successful email campaigns, segmentation, split testing, sequencing, and everything. Okay, so in this first option, the first resource is this company called Sendinblue. I'm going to leave the link to the course in the description, by the way, and to the company as well, so you can check it out. And as you can see, this is a platform. This is actually all-in-one marketing platform. In my opinion, this is the best solution because, you know, there are so many email marketing platforms out there that you can choose from, like ConvertKit, MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, all these, you know, separate email marketing platforms. But then, you know, that's not all, because if you are running a online business, you need landing pages, you need all kinds of stuff. So this one is all-in-one marketing platform. Okay, so what I mean by that is, look at the features. Okay, it has,
You can personalize your CRM, marketing automation, transaction emails. Okay, you can do sign-up forms, landing pages, Facebook ads, retargeting, email marketing, SMS marketing, chat, inbox, everything. Okay, and they have a very generous free plan. Okay, so for free, meaning $0 per month, you can send up to 300 emails per day, and you have unlimited contact storage, meaning, for example, for the other providers, you have to pay per contacts. Okay, you have certain amount of contact on your email list, you have to pay for that. So this one is unlimited, and you can send up to 300 emails per day, and it's for free. Okay, then they have other plans. As you can check from 10K subscribers, and you can change, and you will see what they have. Anyways, I will leave the link in the description so you can check them out. But this platform actually offers a free all-in-one course about email marketing. Okay, so this course is designed to give you the full view on how to become a successful email marketer, give your career a boost by getting the email marketing certification. Okay, so in this course, actually, there's going to be 4 hours, 63 videos, and 8 quizzes. Okay, who is this email marketing course for? This is actually for beginners and advanced marketers as well. And these are the modules that they will cover. Okay, the fundamentals of email marketing, basic terms, what advantages does it offer, what goals can you pursue, data protection in email marketing, contact segmentation, and so on and so forth. So this is actually the free course that I was speaking about. Okay, and as I mentioned, it is 4 hours, 63 videos, 8 quizzes. Okay, now let's jump to the second option that I found for you, where you can take an absolutely free course on email marketing. Okay, and this is the second option that I was speaking about in the video previously. On this page, you can find actually some other free resources and free courses, okay, depending on your niche. These are from my mentor, a very, very successful 7-figure affiliate marketer, Spencer Meehan, and you can find all these courses, like, for example, about how to build your blog, about the email marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, the basics. If you want to start affiliate marketing, sales funnels, copywriting secrets, create an online course. And all these courses are for absolutely free. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video as well, so you can access these and study, because the best thing is to invest in yourself first, and then to sell your knowledge. And on these free resources, they are really, really rich, and it has quite some hours in them, absolutely for free, which is amazing. So I'm going to leave the link so you can check this out as well. And as I said before, on this page, it's not only about email marketing, it's about other stuff. For example, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, the lowest entry point to start your online business. And for that reason, you also will need email marketing. So boom, you have it on this page as well. So I'm going to leave the link in the description as well. Please do yourself a favor, invest some time into yourself, into your own education, because it will pay off in the future. Okay, so if this video was helpful, drop it a big fat like. Okay, smash that like button. Okay, subscribe to this channel if you're new, because on this channel I'm gonna give you free content and resources how to successfully build your online income, okay, to find your freedom online. And if you have any questions, just don't be shy and leave your comment in the comment box below, because I read all of them, okay, and I will respond to you. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave the comment below. Obliterate that like button, because this video is actually sponsored by the fat big like button. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tick that notification bell icon so you're notified on any new videos when I upload them. And till next time, go out there and make it happen.